Welcome to another edition of Matters of Law. Matters of Law, the law reigns supreme. Catch us on extvgh on YouTube and Explore TVGH on Facebook. Did you watch our last edition? I'm sure you did learn something about juvenile and the juvenile justice system. Today, we are talking about right to privacy. Let's go for a spot of commercial. We'll be right back.
This program is brought to you by PEG Enterprise. Call us on 0240 533 097 0240 533 097 for your delicious pastries, cookies and drinks. Locate PEG Enterprise near KK House in Ho.
Welcome back. We are talking about right to privacy. The right to privacy is one of the rights that's guaranteed by the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Now, this particular discussion will focus on the privacy that people have when it comes to their communications. So, for example, if somebody calls you on the phone and you begin to record that conversation without letting the person know, you are breaching the person's right to privacy. If you share that particular recording with any other person, you definitely have breached the person's right to privacy, and the person can sue you in a civil action for breach of his right to privacy. In the same vein, you cannot go into anybody's room or you cannot go into anybody's house and take naked photos of them or take any pictures or take anything that breaches their privacy, that exposes them. Ordinarily, any part of their body or any part of their house or anywhere that they stay, that is not subject to the public view or that's not allowed for the public to see. Any such communication without the express consent of the people involved, you have breached their right to privacy. In the same vein, you cannot copy somebody's WhatsApp chats and send around. Neither can you copy somebody's message in his or her diary or copy a message in a very discreet manner, something that has been kept very secret, and you begin to publish that. Once you do that, you breach the person's right to privacy. What do you do if somebody has breached your right to privacy? First of all, you need to establish that that particular information that has been sent out is information from you or is about you. Secondly, you need to find out who that communication has been given to or how that communication has been disseminated. Obviously, it means that the communication should go beyond the person who has done the recording and has gone out. Now, for such cases, the courts take a serious view of it because it infringes on the person's fundamental human rights. It is important at this point to also make the statement that any recording that is done in a public place, a place where the public has access, will not be covered or will not be protected by the right to privacy. Because the understanding is that in a public place, whatever happened is in the public eye. So you cannot claim a right to privacy, except in exceptional circumstances where you have been told that it is a private event that is being done, and for which reason you should not take pictures or you should not take any communication whatsoever from there and disseminate anywhere else. It's also important to know that some places are declared as security zones. You may not be allowed to take pictures, you may not be allowed to do recordings. For example, even though you may be in a court, which may be a public place for you to witness cases in court, you are not allowed to do any recording whatsoever of any testimony of anything that is going on. Indeed, the only circumstance where you can do a video recording or an audio visual is when you have been granted permission by the court. A typical example is the 2012 election petition case and the most recent past election petition case that happened in our country, where the cameras were allowed into the courtroom. It is important for us to respect the privacy rights of people and to ensure that we adhere to them. And when your rights has been breached, you do not go and fight anybody. What you do is that you see a lawyer and make sure that you sue so that persons do not breach your rights. Thank you so much for watching this edition of Matters of Law. Catch us live on Explore TVGH on Facebook and extvgh on YouTube. See you next time.
To support this program, contact XTV on 024 606 1095 or 050 836 4159 or send us an email to info@stvgh.com.